Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know that in this channel I discussed SEO and career related tips and tricks. So today I will discuss a very important topic. So I hope that you will stay with me. In this video I will discuss top 5 SEO tools you need to boost your ranking in 2024. Number 1. The first one is SEMrush. If you are looking for all-in-one tool, this is must-have. SEMrush lets perform your keyword research, track your ranking, analyze your competitor, and even conduct a full site audit. One of its best features is the competitor analysis, where you can see exactly what keyword your competitor are ranking for and how to outrank them. Number 2 is Ahref. This tool is a powerful house for backlink analysis. As you probably know, backlink is still one of the most important ranking factor in 2024, and Ahref makes it easy to discover where your competitors are getting their backlinks from. Plus, you can find opportunities to build your own. One of the best features of Ahref is the Content Explorer, which let you find high performance content in your niche, so you can create something even better. If you want to dominate your backlink strategy, Ahref is must.
Hi, I have an exciting announcement for all of you. If you want to secure your browser to manage Facebook, LinkedIn, Amazon, TikTok, eBay account, then one and only GoLogin is the best solution for you. GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting.
Number 3 is Search Console, and of course we can't talk about SEO tools without mentioning Google Search Console. It's free and it's straight from Google, so you know it's accurate. With Search Console you can track your site's performance in search results, see what keywords are driving traffic, and fix any technical issues like broken links or mobile usability problem. So you have to well understand Search Console, and it's very important for your ranking. Finally, we have Ubersuggest by Neil Patel. This tool is performed for keyword research and comes with a free version that's surprisingly robust. You can analyze competitor keywords, check search volume, and even get suggestions for content ideas based on popular trends. It's also great for beginner because the interface is super simple and the tool gives you actionable data that you can use right away to improve your ranking and also your business. All these tools I discussed, these tools are very important to rank your website. You have to be a good magician of these tools, because without experting in these tools you can't get better idea and you can't get ranking. So you have to be practice all these tools regularly. And one most important thing is that you have to find the proper keyword for better ranking. Okay, and the secret for ranking is behind in the keyword research. So you have good idea about all these tools and do step-by-step analysis. Here is my top 5 SEO tools for 2024: SEMrush, Ahref, Google Search Console, Used SEO, and Ubersuggest. Where either you are a beginner or a pro, these tools will help you to take your SEO plan to the next level. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.